Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the Panda Mini talking to FL Studio, plug the USB, and confirm it's LED. In FL Studio, go straight to Options, MIDI Settings, and select Panda Mini as the input. Enable it so the software receives notes. Next, create an instrument channel like 3x-OSC or a VSD and arm that channel for MIDI. This immediate sequence makes sure your keyboard sends note data. Once done, press a key to verify a sound, which proves connections and routing are correct before deeper mapping. Now map the Panda Mini's controls to functions in FL Studio so performance feels natural. Open a plugin, right-click a knob, and choose Link to Controller. Move the physical control to assign CC. Remember to set distinct CC numbers to avoid conflicts. For global control, map transport buttons to FL Studio's play/stop and assign pads to drum sampler slots. Finally, confirm the MIDI channel matches and adjust a CO buffer for latency. This keeps timing tight when you perform or record. To finish, record your ideas into the playlist or directly into the piano roll, arm the track, hit record, and play. Once recorded, use quantize and velocity editing to tighten rhythm and dynamics. Save a template that preserves mappings and instrument choices so you can start fast next time. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Make sure Panda Mini is selected in MIDI settings, the MIDI channel matches the instrument, your CO driver is active, and the keyboard has USB power, addressing these fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.